Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to activate Talabat Pro. Well, Talabat Pro is Talabat's premium membership that gives eligible subscribers benefits such as free delivery on qualified orders, exclusive discounts, and special offers from participating restaurants and stores. So for you to activate Talabat Pro, just launch the Talabat app on your Android or iPhone and make sure that you sign into your account just like I've done here. Once you're on the home screen, just tap on the account button, which is usually at the bottom right corner of the app. So once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this window where you will find your account settings, subscriptions, payment method, and rewards. So once you're in here, just go ahead and look for Talabat Pro, which you have here. Then just go ahead and tap on it. So here you will see the current subscription price of your country, the benefits included with Talabat Pro, whether monthly, annual, solo, or family plans are available in your region. This options actually vary by market. Now, before subscribing, just go ahead and take a moment to review what your membership includes. Depending on your country, Talabat Pro may offer free delivery from participating restaurants and stores when minimum order requirements are met, exclusive member-only discounts and deals, and additional perks and partner promotions that may change over time. And of course, if you are ready, just go ahead and click on choose your plan. So you can choose whether you want family or solo. Let's say you want solo, and just go ahead and tap start free trial, and it takes you to this window where you're gonna have to enter your card details. So put in your card details. You can choose any payment method here. Okay, you have American Express, Visa card, MasterCard. All of these are the cards that are acceptable. And then you enter your expiration code, or your expiration date rather, and your CVV code. Once that is done, then your Talabat Pro subscription will be enabled. All right, so go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.